What's up, you guys? My name is Kendricks, and today I am showing you my last day with the stock exhaust. I wanted to do a detailed video about this because I feel like nobody really has. I ordered a Yashimura AT2 full system, so it's gonna be a full system change. Everything else stock, no ECU flash yet. That'll be coming after. So this bike hasn't been started up yet. I'm gonna start her up. How you guys can get it here? Cold start, stock exhaust. I'm really gonna get on it. I feel like a lot of people don't really rev their shit, so we're gonna do that. And here we go. We're gonna let her do that for a little bit, let her kind of run. As you can tell, not very loud, not a lot of sound to her. But that should be changing very soon. So we'll give her a little rev over here. And they're just, you know, little baby ones. And then we're really gonna get on her. And then what most people don't do is what I'm gonna do now. So there you go. There you have it. That's stock exhaust for this. We're gonna hop on her right now and we'll take her for a ride. All right, you guys. So we just switched to the GoPro audio. Just gonna do a little riding around real quick. Some light, nothing crazy. Just to get the sound of the engine and exhaust, how it all sounds. Again, on stock. It's nice and quiet out right now, so it should be able to hear it pretty well. And we're just gonna warm her up. That way, when I do the ride by, should be able to get that that stock exhaust sound, you know, more accurately. So let's take off, man. So I'm gonna leave visor open and do some close as well. It kind of changes the sound because, you know, the wind and whatnot. But we'll get a little bit of everything. So we're going to get on it right now. Put the visor down. So there we go. Quick little ride around. Kind of got the sound of how it just sounds while it's riding. And then I'll get the video right now for the ride by while it's all nice and kind of warmed up. Alright, you guys. Well, that concludes the sound test for the Kawasaki Ninja 500 SE 40th year anniversary edition stock exhaust. We'll cut to the new Yashimura full exhaust system. Okay, so we are back, and here's the Yoshimura AT2 full exhaust system, nice and installed. She's looking beautiful on here. We're gonna get her a little cold start sound right now. the GoPro on, and then we'll do the ride by. All right, you guys. So we are on the bike now. Let's go for a ride here, and let's get a good sound. Now that's with visor up. So we'll go down the strip pretty quick and see how this exhaust sounds. Gorgeous, man. Now, if you guys aren't able to hear, there are a lot of backfires, and that's probably because I have to do the ECU flash on it. You know, it's just running richer and whatnot. But I love it. It still sounds really nice. Again, this is without the ECU flash. But that's why you guys will hear a lot more of the backfiring. Alright, you guys, so that's the ride around. Sounds really nice. Again, no ECU flash, so there's a lot of backfires, but still sounds great. Eventually I get that ECU flash, and maybe I'll make an update video then. But for now, let's go do that ride by. Alright, you guys, well, that concludes the video for the Yashimura AT2 full exhaust system sound test. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Tell me what you guys think about the way it sounds, and if you guys think I should do a video on the baffle in, let me know that as well. Maybe I'll do a separate video for that. But hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.